to 11 feet. Sunday, south winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 8 feet. Monday, southwest winds 20 to 30 knots becoming northwest. Seas building to 8 to 12 feet. The offshore waters forecast for Hudson Can't. Following areas in Connecticut: southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, southern New London, northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex and northern New London, and the following areas in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland and northern Westchester. Winter storm warning in effect from 4 a.m. Thursday to 1 p.m. Friday. Near blizzard conditions are forecast Thursday evening into Friday morning. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a winter storm warning for snow and strong winds, which is in effect from 4 a.m. Thursday to 1 p.m. Friday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: southern Connecticut and the lower Hudson Valley including Orange, Putnam, Rockland and northern Westchester counties. Hazard types: snow and blowing snow. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches. 1 to 2 inches are forecast through the Thursday morning rush hour followed by a lull. The most significant period of snow will redevelop by Thursday evening and continue into Friday morning. Winds northeast 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Temperatures 7 to 25 above. Visibilities 1/4 to 1/2 mile at times. Timing from tonight into Friday. Impacts: blowing and drifting snow will produce dangerous travel conditions. Wind chills from 5 degrees below zero to 15 degrees below zero Thursday night through Friday will produce extremely cold conditions. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
Doubleheader.
Following areas in New Jersey: Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Eastern Bergen, Western Essex, Eastern Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northern Queens and Southern Queens. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to 1 p.m. Friday. Near blizzard conditions are forecast Thursday evening into Friday morning. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a winter storm warning for snow and strong winds, which is in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to 1 p.m. Friday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: New York City, northeast New Jersey and southern Westchester County. Hazard types: snow. Accumulations: up to 1 inch of accumulation is possible after midnight through the Thursday morning rush hour. Additional accumulations of 5 to 7 inches is forecast Thursday evening through Friday morning. Total accumulations of 6 to 8 inches. Winds north 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Temperatures 11 to 28. Visibilities 1/4 to 1/2 mile at times. Timing Thursday night into Friday. Impacts: light snow could cause transportation impacts during the Thursday morning rush hour. Blowing and drifting snow will produce hazardous travel conditions. Wind chills ranging from 5 degrees below zero to 5 degrees above zero will make it feel extremely cold. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
Triple header.
Following areas in New York: Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Nassau, Southern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk and Southeast Suffolk. Blizzard warning in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to 1 p.m. Friday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to 1 p.m. Friday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: Long Island including Nassau and Suffolk counties. Hazard types: snow and blowing snow. Accumulations: up to around 1 inch of snow is forecast overnight through the Thursday morning rush hour. An additional 7 to 9 inches of snow is forecast Thursday evening through Friday. Total accumulations of 8 to 10 inches are forecast. Winds: north 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Temperatures in the lower 20s. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less. Timing: the heaviest snow and the strongest winds will occur Thursday night into Friday. Impacts: blowing and drifting snow will produce dangerous travel conditions. Wind chills from 5 degrees below zero to 5 degrees above zero will produce extreme cold impacts. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Here is the latest weather map discussion.